Insect farming is on the rise, with trillions of insects being raised each year for use as animal feed and even as a protein source for humans. This practice is being touted as a low-carbon and sustainable way to feed the world's growing population. But before we embrace insect farming as a solution to our food needs, we must consider the ethics of raising trillions of insects each year. Insects are fascinating creatures, with unique sensory abilities that we are only beginning to understand. Yet, we often view them as pests to be squashed or sprayed with chemicals. We also rely on them for pollination and are concerned about declining insect populations. The question is, do insects have the capacity to feel pain and suffer? Scientists have found evidence of nociception, or the ability to sense and respond to painful stimuli, in beetles, flies, bees, and butterflies. Some insects have even been observed grooming injured spots on their bodies and rescuing nestmates that have lost limbs. However, we know much less about the lives of the most commonly farmed insects, such as crickets, beetles, and flies. As we continue to study insect sentience, we must also consider the ethical implications of farming trillions of these creatures each year. Is it ethical to use insects as a protein source for humans or as animal feed? These are complex questions that require careful consideration as we navigate the challenges of feeding a growing population while also being mindful of the welfare of all creatures. The rise of insect farming is a reminder that we must approach our relationship with insects with both curiosity and care. Like, share and subscribe.